What is an HVAC apprenticeship? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, known as HVAC, is a career that will always be in demand because almost every home or building has a climate control system. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, HVAC technician employment is expected to increase by 15% through 2026. HVAC technicians perform a variety of work, from installing new air conditioning and furnace systems, radiant heating, air purification systems, to repairing these systems. HVAC technicians work indoors and outdoors on a daily basis, as well as to a variety of different settings, from residential buildings to schools and factories. To become a licensed HVAC technician, New Jersey requires completion of a 4-year HVAC apprenticeship training program. Individuals can find a training program at career and technical schools or a community college. The adult and continuing education offers the HVAC related instruction that meets the U.S. Department of Labor Office of Apprenticeship Program. Topics covered in the program include safety, electrical concepts, and theories used in HVAC, introduction to heating and cooling, air distribution systems, basic copper and plastic piping practices, soldering, brazing, heat pumps, sheet metal duct systems, air quality equipment, and much more. For more information, visit www.hcvsd.org.